Hi, my name is Michelle Panuccio. I am a client here at Inspire Weight Loss Nutley. And out of this fantastic program, I have lost a total of 33 pounds. Walking through these doors made more than an impact on my journey. The first time I walked through these doors, I had hope that I knew this program was going to work. And every week when I came for my following checkup, it was the walk of motivation. I want to show you the wall of success. It is a fantastic wall that shows all of the client's success from day one to the end of their journey. Here is my favorite each week because it is a gentle reminder that the best is yet to come for you in this journey. What I just got off of is the body composition scale. This scale isn't just any scale. It provides Dr. Donna and her team with a body composition analysis. You will receive and keep this during your first visit. And it provides some really important information, such as your BMI, your body fat, and your muscle mass. As mentioned, this is something you take home, and it's a great reminder to help you stay on this journey. This room right here is one of my favorites. Each week I was able to meet with a health coach to discuss my weekly wins, celebrations, struggles ahead. Everything went down in this room. The health coaches are able to help you really dig deep to help you stay on this journey. These weekly health coaching sessions helped me lose the 33 pounds of what I've lost, and most importantly, keeping me on track and educating me on why it's important to know it's the life you gain, not the weight you lose. Did you know that they offer body contouring? Come on in, let's take a look. This is the non-invasive magic, as I like to call it. It helps you lose inches, tighten skin, and really contributes to your weight loss journey. Plus, it's an extra 20 minutes of meditation and relaxation because we know how hard our days could be. If you're thinking about getting healthy and losing weight, stop waiting. There's nothing to do but to call and schedule your consult today. I am a very high functioning professional. I didn't think I was able to do it. Weight loss was also something that I felt hopeless to do. But once you walk through those doors, all of that changes. Because remember, it's not about the weight you lose, but the life you will gain.